Heating and cooling your home accounts for more than 50% of the average monthly utility bill, so it's important to make smart choices when considering a new heating and cooling system. A heat pump is the most efficient heating and cooling system available today. For every 1 unit of power used, a heat pump provides 3 units of heat. A heat pump blows warm, comfortable air that will not overheat your home. A heat pump is safer than combustion-based systems. And a heat pump is great for the environment, since it results in lower CO2 emissions being released into the air. Rather than generating heat, a heat pump simply transfers heat from one place to another, a much more efficient use of electricity. Here's how it works. A heat pump has an outdoor unit containing a compressor and condenser that work in conjunction with your indoor air handling unit. In the warmer months, a heat pump pulls heat from inside your home and transfers it outside, cooling your home much like an air conditioner would. In the cooler months, it reverses the process and extracts heat from the outside air and transfers that heat into your home. Even on cold days, the air contains enough heat to warm your home. However, on extremely cold days, a heat pump has an electric resistance heating element, which can be used to provide auxiliary heat. By transferring heat, instead of generating heat, a heat pump requires less energy, provides the most comfort, and is the safest choice for your home.